Hello, crypto. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me. Cream. Follow the cream. Get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis, educational purposes, and entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say here as financial advice. Everything's strictly my opinion, and it's just a way for me to track the performance of my crypto portfolio. Man, I said "and" a lot there. So yeah, today is Wednesday, May 25th. As you can see, we have a green day today on Bitcoin, even though the price is down from the current prices we were used to seeing last week. As per fiatleague.com, Bitcoin is at 29,889, up 0.95% with a high of 30,713 and a low of 29,272. So let's see the market cap real quick. Let me play some tunes. I've changed up the tunes a little bit because I'm playing some Armin van Buuren tracks, and you'll know why in a bit later. So here we are on the COINMARKETCAP. We have 1.26 trillion with Bitcoin dominance at 44.7% and Ethereum at 18.8%. And in 24 hours, Bitcoin is 0.89% up and Ethereum is 0.30% down in 24 hours, while in 7 days, Bitcoin is up 1.26%. and Ethereum is down 1.33% in the 7 days. So let's look at the chart on Bitcoin. I've just laid out the support and resistance levels. Again, this level will not be, I'm not going to leave this out of the, I'm still saying there's a possibility we can hit 24,000 Bitcoin just because. Let me explain why in a bit, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned it on my video yesterday. If you missed my video yesterday, click on the top right corner now. And yeah, so currently we are still here dancing around 31,000. Bitcoin can't seem to break 31,000 right now. It's been consolidating for, let me measure this for a second, 14 bars, 2 weeks, right? So 14 days, and it's annoying to see. And as I mentioned on my previous video yesterday, I don't like how we're kind of testing the support more than we're testing resistance, because my rule of thumb, the more we test support levels, the more we have the tendency to break down lower, right? So let me repeat that. The more we test support levels, the more we tend to break down, finding new support levels. And as you can see over here, we've tested it here. One, we touched it here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 times we tested it, all right? And this is just my rule of thumb doing my technical analysis, that the more it tests supports, the more it's going to break down. And same is true if the price was testing resistant levels, but as you can see, it only tested it twice, one here and one there, and then it just lingered in the middle area here, ranging from 30,000 and 29,000, and then testing support levels more than it's testing resistance. So I need to see that the price test the resistance levels more than it's testing support for me to be bullish, and then eventually say, yeah, we can definitely break 31,000 and reach 34,000, which is where the 50 EMA line is at 34,700. And as you can see, it lines up perfectly over here with down at 34,500, right? So right now we're right in the middle. The only way you can tell if it will break down or break up or break out up is if you reduce the timeline, let's say even 4 hours, because as you can see, so my trend lines on the daily, they converted back into 4 hours, right? As you can see, these support levels are true. They've been tested so many times, more than the resistance have been tested, but it's nice to see the price consolidate within this range. I'm seeing a bullish cross in the 4 hours. I'm seeing the trend on the RSI continuing upwards. But for now, let's go back to the daily. That was just for me to show you on how you can find, you can lower down the time frame and kind of see where the trend will either go up or down, right? But let me go back to the daily since I'm just covering daily. So yeah, right now you can't really tell where, if it's gonna, it's just right in the middle, right? So this kind of over here is just right in the middle. But the one thing I do see is this MACD doing a bullish cross here on May 20th, no, May 19th, May 20th, and it's continuing to do the upward trend It's nice to see the green line separating from the red. The further apart they are, the more bullish trend continues, because if they were to get closer like this, it would either, then that means that the green might eventually curve back down and cross down below the red. But right now I'm kind of seeing it trending up, because the green line is separating from the red. And I would like to see the MACD cross over the zero line here, which is where the histogram is. And this is where I can tell where if it's a buying volume or selling volume. If the bars are below the zero, right, zero right here, that means it's a selling volume. But if the bars are above the zero, that's buying volume. So I need to see the buy volume increase as the days progress in order for me to say that this bullish trend is continuing. But once I start seeing the buying volume get smaller and then flip below the histogram, then we could be consolidating even more in the next few days. But I'm getting tired of seeing this consolidation. I would just want the Bitcoin to decide either up or down, just to get it over with. All right. And in the RSI, we're still seeing an uptrend. We could see it test this trend over here. It dipped down, went back up, and then tested again, and it is climbing up. We'll see where the trend continues, if the RSI will test it again or break below it, or will it just continue going up. I would like to see the RSI break above 50 levels, which is right here, which is the resistance. And it is my main resistance, because whenever RSI breaks above 50, you can kind of see over here, once it broke above 50, we were in a bullish trend. But then once we're below the 50, we're in a bearish trend. But yeah, so as you can see right here, once we were up here, we were on an uptrend for a while, from May 16 to March 16 to April 5th, right? But once the RSI dipped below the 50, and from April 6th up to now, we're on a bear trend, right? So we need the RSI to break above 50. I know we could do it. Let's do it. Let's go on this bullish trend and break above this 31,000 range. And this stochastic RSI, I just learned how to use it because of KuCoin. I'm currently using KuCoin to trade because it's the only exchange I can use due to regulations here in Canada. And the way it works is, currently we are in overbought area. So normally a lot of traders do take a lot of profit here. But if the trend continues, and if we break this 31,000, we could see the stochastic RSI maintain this range at 80s and 90s and forming the flat line, just like how we did over here, if the price continues on a bullish rally. But if the price starts retracing, we could see the stochastic RSI do this from overbought to oversold. And once it hits oversold, a lot of traders come in the oversold area, pushing it to another momentum up to overbought. So we could see, like, again, a flat line in the overbought, or we could see a retracement. I just needed to do something. Come on, either break down or break up, because it's getting kind of boring. And yeah, so if we do break down, right, if we do break down here, 28,000 support, we could see 26,000. And if 26,500 fails, this range at 21,024 is not out of the question. It will always be in play until we finally break out above the 200 EMA. But until price don't sit above 50 and 200 EMA, I will always keep this in the back of my mind as the next support if these two support levels break for Bitcoin. All right, so that's my technical analysis. Again, this is just my opinion, and it's just my way of predicting the price range of Bitcoin, so I can further execute my plays either long or short. So the reason why I'm playing Armin van Buuren is because we have some big news from DOGEDASH, guys. If you guys haven't been up to date, they announced some big news on their on the announcement on Discord. So let me pause it for a second. All right, here. So this is the announcement a couple days ago. I'm gonna pause it for a second, but this is the reason why I'm playing Armin van Buuren. All right, so here it is. Hello.One. They're not called DOGEDASH anymore. If you guys don't know, they are doing the migration by the end of this month, or the first week of June. Okay, I just want them to get over with, because I'm tired of posting DOGEDASH/Hello.One. I need to just say Hello.One, so I can tell people what to buy instead of, hey, buy DOGEDASH. But by the way, we're doing a migration. So I'm just getting impatient with it, I guess, because I wanna guide people properly into what coin to buy, right? Because I don't want to tell them, hey, buy DOGEDASH. By the way, a week later from now, we're gonna change to Hello.One. So that's just my reason of me being impatient. I just wanna get the Hello.One out of the way. So I hope it's soon. I hope it's this week. Please, I hope it's this week. So again, Hello.One, they posted this news. Hello is excited to announce a collaboration with him and Armin van Buuren collection. All right, so they're doing the Armin van Buuren collection NFTs, and I'm pretty sure these guys are in the entertainment business of the crypto, and it lines up perfectly for what Paul, the founder of Hello.One, is used to, because he is in the entertainment business. Before, those apps were just play to earn, but with the extra utility, Paul's vision with the project is now added entertainment as well. And he also says entertainment pays you. So I'm kind of curious on how that's going to pay the investors or the project, or how it benefits us investors, right? But for now, this is a good news. It's creating exposure. And yeah, so if I want to break down on what him is, we've joined the Discord. And also, since this collaboration, we were fortunate enough to be whitelisted on their NFTs that they launched yesterday. And I think at least five to four people from DOGEDASH community or Hello.One community won the chance of getting whitelisted on this nice, exciting NFT collection with Armin van Buuren. So I want to go into actually, I've already opened their roadmap. Oh, and also just let me show you guys. They also posted us in the Hello.One. This is their Twitter. If you guys are not following them yet, I suggest you guys do. And they did post a collaboration with Hello.One, and which is good to see. As you can see here, there's more the icon, legend, star, or light. Which ambassador collective will you get? And there's here a picture of Armin van Buuren. And here it is. They also posted this. We are happy to announce our collaboration with Hello Club HQ. Hello is on a mission to build an ecosystem of games, TV shows, live events, and NFTs all under one brand. So they fit perfectly on our live events or TV shows or entertainment, right? So this is good to see them posting this, and it's a good advertisement, good exposure, marketing is happening, and it's just exciting news from now on, right? And we have big news again coming out. Yeah, so we also have big news coming out soon. Dash of the Dead demo should be coming anytime soon. I'm excited for that, as you saw on that trailer. So let's go to him roadmap, because I want to know what they're about. Here it is. So let's read a few lines. This is their medium. The purpose of this paper, right? This paper provides a high-level introduction to our theater, him. I hope I'm saying that right. Him, right? Him or him? Heim? Him? So if I'm saying it wrong, guys, I'm sorry. Heim, him, whatever. You guys know what I mean. A blockchain-based platform where meaningful music artists can present their message to the world, creating digital art, NFT collections, and bridge them with iconic experiences. Today allows us to inspire you with our vision and mission to engage artists, creators, and music lovers in the new decentralized era of fandom. Introduction: Heim nor him vision. Okay, so I'm sorry guys if I'm saying it wrong. People need artists to keep believing in a better world. That is true. Music moves our soul. To me, music controls your emotion, right? So it depends what kind of music you listen to. It kind of alters your mood for the day. So music is a big part of your life, and I'm kind of glad they kind of partner with them with this big artist as well, right? Let's get back to it. They are the gateway to our own emotion. See, I didn't even read that part, and look, they agree with me, right? So this is exactly how I feel about music. They are the gateway to our emotions. They stand for something, crafting this world closer together, empowering us to be better. Sometimes people deserve to be part of a deeper connection. They truly do. To have a tribute from their artist, a hymn. Hymn's mission, right? Hymn or Heim. Welcome every meaningful artist in our theater, where they present their 1, 2, 3, 4 hymn ambassadors to create iconic experiences as part of their legacy, engaging a global community of music lovers, creators, and artists. Hymn Theater presents the NFT theater of the new era of fandom, redefining the relationship between artists, fans, and creators. We bridge the gap between the digital and physical world. So I guess I'm talking about metaverse here, right? So I guess we'll be going to concerts in the metaverse with hymn's performance with their artists or whoever they collab with. Introducing a simple format of 1, 2, 3, 4 him ambassador NFT for every artist. We allow people to own an exclusive digital artwork from their favorite artists, contributing to the creation of iconic experience, uniting minds, hearts, and souls across borders using today's technology as our vehicle. This world doesn't need another platform. It deserves a theater. Very well said. Right, and here they are. Hymns right in the middle with global community, one-time shows, and lifetime collectibles. So I don't really want to get into it too much, but as you can see, this is what they're involved with, the roadmap, where they're going. We're unfolding path of creating the most innovative music experience possible whilst building our ecosystem of creators, artists, and brands. Our ambition is to welcome our meaningful artists in hymn theater, involving our community as an essential part of our journey. We exist solely because of you. Right? Our ambition to present artists like Billie Eilish on our Disney-worthy podium, crafting their legacies to empower 11 million people. Nice. This roadmap outlines our vision for our hymn. Will evolve in 3 phases. It's possible that this roadmap may evolve and be adapted over time with the contribution of our community. You know what? This is perfect with Paul's vision, because he has worked in the entertainment industry and works with artists such as Rihanna, Justin Bieber. So them mentioning Billie Eilish, what? Billie Eilish, it actually works perfect with Paul's previous projects, right? So I see why they chose this collab. It works perfectly and aligns perfectly into Paul's vision with the project. So phase 1, launch the hymn Discord, laying the foundation for our community of music lovers, inspiring creators, and meaningful artists. Launch phase 1 of our blockchain-based platform, presenting our NFT format. Launch the hymn founding lights, building our creator-led community from digital artists, photographers, show directors, artists to film directors. Drop the first ambassador collection with our first international superstar, which is Armin van Buuren. Phase 2. The next 11 artists join Hymn Theater with their ambassador collection. Present one global partnership with a worldwide brand. Wow. So these guys are going global. All right, expand our team with 11 leading advisors for global impact. We have already welcomed our first advisor, Eric Huggers from CEO of Vivo. Wow. That's a big name drop, because if for those who don't use YouTube, people use Vivo as well. Tease the next step of our digital ecosystem. Start to implement real world value, creating concerts, films, and tangible products. Yep, I clearly see why Hello.One chose this collaboration. It makes sense. Phase 3, Hymn Tokenomics, Hymn Theater 3.0, and exponential traction. That's just a quick, brief show of the roadmap. If you guys want to get into detail, go join their Discord. I will post the Discord link on the description below, along with Hello.One Discord. So, and then just click on their roadmap here channel, and yeah, so they have a lot of stuff on their Discord. They have announcements, white listings, and the one thing that right here, mental health, right? It is a big issue globally right now, with a lot of things going on with the war, with the pandemic, the lockdowns. I'm happy to see their mental health channel here, because people should be openly talking about their mental health, because it affects us all. All right, so it's good to see that they have that as well. Maybe Hello.One should open up one as well. So yeah, that is him. That is one of their projects. Let me pause it for a second. Okay, guys, back to Hello.One. So that was the first news they came out with, the collaboration with him or Heim. Again, I'm sorry if I'm butchering, guys. I can't read, obviously. And their second big news here, guys, from Hello.One. Here it is. If you guys are not following them yet, they're on the COINMARKETCAP Gravity profile. If you click here, this to me is another big news. So click follow. I thought I was following them, but I was recently banned. See, I think when I was when we were doing the spam of, not spamming, but we're trying to, I guess, shill DOGEDASH on CoinMarketCap. I guess I got banned for doing that. But so I'm sorry. It's not because I don't want to follow, but I am restricted from following you guys because I am banned. I've emailed CoinMarketCap to unban me. So Hello.One, that's the reason why I'm not following yet. I thought I was following already. Anyway, so back to their Twitter. Here it is. Big news. Hello.One has posted here. Let me go back to this tweet. All right, the full agenda for CoinMarketCap Global Capital Conference is live. Very own Paul Caslin will be speaking at 12 p.m. on the 27th of May. 2 more days, guys. This is big news. Creating exposure. If you guys don't know how big this is, let me click on this agenda and show you who the speakers are in this CoinMarketCap conference. If you click on the speakers, guys, who is that? CZ, Michael Saylor. I don't know who this is, but these are not small time people on this conference. And Paul will be speaking in front of all these people as well. Sebastian Bourget, co-founder of Sandbox, right? Here it is. Another guy, Zach Seward, editor-chief of CoinDesk, CBDO of 1inch here in Nikita. So big names, and Paul will be there in front of all these guys. So this is just amazing news. And if we scroll down, pretty sure we will see our own founder. There he is, Paul Caslin. And I'm excited to see. I'm hoping we can see when he speaks. And I hope someone posted it on YouTube so we can join and hear what we have to say. So big things are happening with the project, guys. They are now, I guess, launching their marketing on full force. And yeah, so I'm just excited to see what's to come. This is just one of the few big news they have. Again, I just want to get the migration over with. And Dash of the Dead is coming out. The demo is coming out soon and is launching by the end of the second quarter. So the news doesn't stop from here. It's just going to get more news will be coming out as the weeks and months progress, right? So Hello.One is doing their thing. I'm excited. So if you're not paying attention, start paying attention because they will start making noise in the crypto world. So now that for the fundamentals of DOGEDASH, Hello.One is out. We will do some quick technical analysis, and so I can try to keep this video within the 25-minute range. Here we are on DOGEDASH. It is up currently at 3.4% with the volume of 24-hour volume. Come on, load. 40,000 volume with, and this is the 4-hour chart. Let me do it. Let me change it up on the 12 hours. Here we are, right? So again, the volume's it only doubled from the last few days. I think it was 19 or 20,000 last few days, and it's doubled now. So it's increasing. I would like to see it in the 6 figures range, maybe 100,000 to 1 million. So here we are. Here's a perfect example of what I was talking about earlier. Price is touching or testing the support, the resistance level more than the support. Meaning when it does this, we have a higher chance of breaking out in this resistance level at, let me see this. So the resistance is at 0.001656, right? So as you can see, the price is just right on the EMA line right here, 50 EMA. See, touched it here again, then went down. Now it's touching it again. So this is when I'm confident say we will eventually break out this resistance because it keeps testing it. And the next resistance it will test will be here at 0.0022. And then after that is at 200 EMA, 0.00026. And if somehow this momentum kind of slows down, the support level I hope we don't go back to is here at 0.0012. If it does go down there, I will be buying more. Not financial advice, but that's just my strategy with DOGEDASH. And it's good to see. Again, this is the 12-hour chart for DOGEDASH. We finally broke over the 50 RSI level. And if I just extend that a bit more, sorry. Let me delete that. And let me extend the RSI here at 50. Once it broke over 50, as you can see, we were on a bull trend and we are testing the 50. Hopefully it stays above 50 and eventually get in the overbought area at 70. So that's a quick TA for DOGEDASH. Hope you guys enjoyed the news. Big news coming, big moves coming from DOGEDASH and their collabs. I'm pretty sure there's more to come. If you like the information you saw on the video today, please like and share. Until the next episode, thanks for watching. Peace.